Before I begin this video, I just want to say, please do not play these tones over the air. They can cause mass panic and you can get fines and possibly jail time. With that being said, enjoy the video. And the creator is not responsible for any misuse of the scenario. With that being said, enjoy the scenario.
This is Wagga TV, serving the city of Atlanta and surrounding areas. I am Mackenzie Thompson, and this is a breaking news report. Tensions between NATO and Russia. Has we getting worse of these last few weeks? Most of the attention has to do with Ukraine. Russia has also been seen conducting nuclear tests. It is believed that they are going to try to intimidate the United States or its allies. We will keep you updated as the situation develops. This is Mackenzie Thompson signing off.
This is a message from the United States government. Rising tensions between Russia and NATO may lead to war. The U.S. and other nuclear powers are preparing. Gather essentials, including non-perishable food, water, and a hand-crank radio, as power may fail. Stay safe. This message will repeat. This concludes the emergency alert system.
Hello, welcome back to Fox 5 Atlanta. I'm Mackenzie Thompson with a breaking news report. Russia has begun large-scale military drills and increased nuclear testing in the Sea of Japan. US officials are monitoring the situation closely. Reports of panic buying are coming in nationwide, including Alaska, Hawaii, and US territories. Fear is spreading across the country, including Hawaii and Alaska, as protests grow. Officials from both the US government and NATO urge citizens not to panic, assuring the public that efforts are underway to stabilize the situation and prevent further escalation.
The His Majesty government has announced a ballistic missile from Russia. Stay in the nearest shelter and don't go outside. The radiation will most certainly poison you. It will expect to hit London, Birmingham, Oxford, Manchester and Liverpool. It will hit in 5 minutes.
Welcome to Fox Charleston. I'm Danielle Brooks. We're following breaking developments as reports confirm Russia has launched a missile strike on the United Kingdom. NATO leaders are now in emergency session, weighing a response. Under Article 5, an attack on one member is considered an attack on all, meaning a coordinated intervention now appears increasingly likely. Officials say a decision could come at any moment.
Secretary General Larson. This emergency session is in order. The United Kingdom has invoked Article 5, Prime Minister Hughes, UK. We have been attacked. We ask the alliance to stand with us. President Dubois, France. We must act, but carefully. Chancellor Weber, Germany. Inaction is not an option. Prime Minister Kowalski, Poland. We must respond decisively. Secretary General Larson. All in favor of intervention. Secretary General Larson. The motion passes. NATO will act.
This message is at the request of the United States government. At approximately 1:35 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, multiple ICBM nuclear missiles have been launched from Russia and were detected by the North American Aerospace Defense. These missiles were expected to hit parts of Ukraine, but has instead changed its location to major cities in the United States. The first missile is now expected to reach the Orlando, Florida area in about 45 minutes to an hour. The second missile is now expected to reach the Los Angeles, California area in about 2.5 hours. The third and final missile is expected to reach the New York City, New York area in about 4.5 hours. These nuclear missiles have a particular type of fallout that can reach a 700-mile radius. Fallout is a product of nuclear waste that will cause certain death and sickness. Take shelter immediately. Bring canned foods, water, and other basic needs, including a battery-powered radio for any new details. Stay tuned for further information.
There is a nuke for all of Canada, mostly Alberta.
Please pay attention. This is an emergency issued at the request of the Australian government. Due to rising tensions between Australia and China, a nuclear missile may be launched by them, which can totally destroy anything with its might. We request you to beware for a nuclear strike. Kindly log on to www.ospreyprotect.au. Thank you for your cooperation.
This is Mackenzie Thompson in Atlanta. Russia has launched attacks on Canada and the United States, confirming full-scale war. NATO is mobilizing, with allies like Australia sending support. Tensions are rising as China signals alignment with Russia. Australian officials warn more strikes may be imminent. Authorities urge citizens to stay alert as the situation develops.